Hey guys, Eric here with Rainy Ridge. We've got a tool unboxing today. Got me a new saw. UPS dropped it off just a little bit ago. It's going to be a FarmMac F650 or 660V. So it is a knockoff of the Steel MS660. It's got some upgraded parts to it. It's not totally a Chinese clone. It's got Italian ignition, Japanese Ouroboros carburetor, and some Taiwan bearings. But let's unbox it and have a look, see what's inside. This one here should be the bar. So it's just ordered this last week, so it didn't ship from China. It came from somewhere in the US, but this comes with the 36-inch bar and chain. Tape the heck out of everything. Packaging for the chain's not too bad. It's got a fairly thick, heavy plastic case that it's in. Of course, it'll get thrown away as soon as I put it on the saw, because I'm not going to be able to keep track of that. That's the staples that they used to staple the box together with. They did not want this to come apart. All right, 36-inch bar, FarmMac Pro Light solid bar. So there's that. Chain. Anything else in the box? Nope. Set that off to the side. And this should be the saw itself. I'd hope so. Double boxed. Got some styrofoam. This very small bar cover. Instruction manual. Looks like some warranty paperwork. Nice big pull handle there. It's got, looks like a little tool bag. We'll see what's in that here in just a minute. This one looks like it's going to be the cover plate for the side. It does come with a full wrap handle. A little FarmMac mixing pot. And the saw itself. Down, box off to the side. Let's unwrap this. Comes with a little metal skid plate for the bottom. That's going to be nice. Like does not have captive nuts for the cover plate. So decompression valve there. It's got a standard full handle on it, but you can swap it out. It sits in the little tool bag here. I'll put these nuts back on so I don't lose them. Maybe. If I get everything to cooperate with me. Looks like the lines on it are just hand painted and about ready to come off, but it'll be fine. Some tooth length, some tools there, a 8 and 10 millimeter wrench, screwdriver to adjust carburetor, scrunch, little socket, dogs. Huh. All kinds of extra screws, and looks like he's got quite a few extra little parts and pieces here. That's actually metal. That's good. So yeah, let's nice air filter. So let me stop the video there now, and let me go ahead and get this put together, and then we'll be right back, and we'll put some gas and bar oil in, and we'll fire it up. Stand by. All right, so got it all put together. The instructions did not help telling you what bolt goes where, so it was a bit of trial and error. I thought about filming it at first, but I thought no, I'll just save the trouble, and I'm glad I did, because it did take a little bit. Had to take a few bolts out and redo a couple things, but got her together. I got some fuel and bar oil in here. Manual says starting out for the first 5 or 6 tanks, run a 30-to-1 mixture. Had to make up the new thing of fuel for it. After that, then they say go to 51, which is what I normally run in both my Steel and my Echo. So but yeah, I got this thing put together, and let's fire it up and see how she works. Took a little bit to get it started, but fired right up. Sounds pretty good. Sounds like it's running a little bit rich. I'll adjust the carburetor on that here in a little bit, and then we'll take it out for a spin. I got a white oak down. Primary reason for getting this saw was I've got 3 trees that I need to take out. Pretty good sized red oaks. My Steel MS 271 is the one, my primary saw. It's got an 18-inch bar on it. It's nowhere near big enough to take down those trees, so I need something bigger. And I just don't have the kind of money to buy a new Steel or Husky or even an Echo. So I found this online, doing some research on it. It says that I need to do some swap out a few parts though. One of the suggestions was swapping out the gas and oil caps with the OEM caps. So I'll go down to the Steel shop tomorrow and get those and a few other things. I did go through and tighten up, make sure all the bolts was sight on it. I did find a couple that was not even snug, so I tightened those down. Fit and finish on here is okay. I mean, it's a $500 saw versus a $2,000 saw, so you can't expect it to be as on the same level as Steel or Husky or Echo. But like I said, I've got those 3 trees I need to take down, and then I'll probably use this thing for sawmill. I do have a small Alaskan sawmill that I got for the Steel here a couple years ago. However, I found out real quick that is not big enough even for a 20-inch Alaskan sawmill. So if I do have a 20-inch bar, I'll just swap out and use this for right now until I can, and then I'll save up and buy a bigger one. But yeah, we'll do that, and I'll just run with that. I'll use Steel might be my primary saw. I love that saw. I've had that since June of 2018. It's cut up a lot of firewood for my house and my dad's shop there. He burns wood in there, so that'll still be my primary. I picked up the Echo here this last winter, just a few months ago, off a yard sale. That's a pretty good little saw. And then this one here will just be for stuff that's a little bit too big for this, and then also when I want to get into doing some chainsaw milling with it. So I am excited to get this thing in some wood and just see what she'll do. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and call this quits, and yeah, we'll get it set up later and shoot some video of it, setting up that white oak I got down there. I need to get bucked up and split for some firewood for next winter. But yeah, so we'll call that a day for now. I do appreciate you all sticking around watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and stick around. We'll see what we can get into next. Bye bye now.